Hi friends! In this video, we'll be showing you a converted van, but not our van. This is Steve and Audra's van. We have been following them on YouTube for a year or so now, and our paths crossed in Jupiter, Florida to finally meet in real life.
You missed the exit just to get the shot, right?
We met at Riverbend Park, a lovely park in Jupiter. Alex spent a little time taking some drone shots of their van. And then we found a quiet spot to chat and to film each other's vans.
Okay, we're all in.
So, here we are in Riverbend Park in Jupiter, Florida. And these are our friends, Steve and Audra, from YouTube. We finally met. And this is our Ford Transit. And they're going to show us a little bit inside.
Let's check it out.
Come on in.
So there's some light. Should we open the back?
Sure.
All the nice white covers make it nice and light too. So, show us around.
All
Give us a
right.
little tour.
All right. So we've been working on our van for about 2 years. I think the biggest goal that we had was to keep the build low budget, to do everything simply and to reuse materials as much as we could. So what I'm most proud of is our ceiling. This is old fence wood that we picked up for free, and I painted it and polyed it. So no cost for that other than the screws and the paint.
Very
And the same
nice.
thing with our walls. This is pallet wood that I painted. And then Steve worked really hard to get everything, like all the edging and everything in here, to cover all the crazy curves of the van.
Tell us about this nice chair.
Oh, this is our toilet chair, multi-purpose. So we can use it when we're working. We have a table that we keep under here, and we just pull it out when we need it, and then we can do the computer stuff, so we use this then. But it's also our toilet, which we've actually never had to use. We've got like the bottle for the liquid in the front, and we have a funnel, and we have a toilet seat that we can put on here, and a bag and sawdust.
Perfect.
So that's something else that we like a lot in here is our floor to ceiling closet, because we can actually hang our clothes, and we've got just lots of storage space. And then our sink is like you and Alex's with our foot pump. Yeah, and I love that it's simple. I'm glad we don't have a motor, because I feel like we don't use as much water then.
Yeah.
We have the regular dorm fridge,
Dorm fridge.
our upper
Cabinets on top.
cabinets, and we have a sticker from Eula and Alex that's not here yet, but we'll probably put this here. And we also have the
Nice thick
nice,
mattress.
14-inch foam.
Beautiful. Looks cozy up there.
Yeah, and our Max Air that everybody has. Oh, and then our kitty area. Our cat litter is back in here, so we wanted to have a way for her to get in and out.
That's cute.
We cook with a camper cook stove with a 1 pound propane tank, and we've been tracking how many times we use it and how long we've been using it, and it's surprising how much you get out of those little 1 pound tanks.
Yeah.
I think we're at about 4 hours worth of total cook time.
And you figure out the number of meals too, right?
Right. I think that's a
Nice.
couple dozen meals. So
Yeah.
This is how we have our privacy,
Yeah. Nice.
and that works pretty well.
Yeah.
And then I meant to do the insulated curtains or covers, because I actually made some for the back, but we have found this is just tablecloth material that I used
It's
to
enough.
make the other covers. Yeah, and so that's fine. In the winter, if we're in the cold, which we don't like to be in the cold, we actually have used flannel sheets and magnets and just kind of covered it with a second
Perfect.
layer.
Yeah.
And then we have the curtains that hang in the back in addition to our window covers that we can close. And that gives a little more privacy too if
Yep.
we want airflow.
Follow Steve and Audra. Follow them. Here we are around the
So
back.
this is our garage.
Tidy. Boy, you guys are tidy.
That's
Well,
Steve.
I just installed a flexible 100-watt solar panel up top last week. So in the process of doing that, I cleaned up our rat's nest of wiring that
Nice.
was here.
Nice.
So yeah, kind of clean things up a little bit.
And then I made these window covers no sew.
Yes, I saw them.
You can see a video about that on our channel too.
Yeah.
I've been pretty happy with those.
Yeah. And you got your bikes in there. Very nice.
And we have a screen that we actually put in up in our frame there. I don't know.
Nice. I've seen it. Yeah, I've seen it.
Put this
Yeah.
there.
Yeah.
So we've only used it like once or twice, but when it's really buggy, it's nice to have.
Well, if you go down to the Florida Keys, you'll need it. Very nice.
It was a lot of fun meeting them both. If you want to find them on YouTube, just look for Steve and Audra. They have tons of van build videos and lots of van adventure videos as well. Thanks for watching.